Case against Casey, Texas EquiSearch is casting doubt on a claim made by her defense team. Her attorneys claim Kaylee's remains were placed in the woods after Casey was locked up. West News' Bob Keeling joining us live right now with more. And Bob, how does EquiSearch play into claims made by Casey's defense?
Martha, Casey's defense claims they've talked to at least one EquiSearch team leader who says the area was dry, it was searched, and they found nothing. However, EquiSearch's lawyer tells us that's news to him, and he's challenging Casey's defense. Prove it.
That searched a particular...
Casey Anthony's defense says they have evidence from Texas EquiSearch suggesting that the area where Kaylee's remains were found was dry when it was searched in November. That would lend credibility to their bombshell claim they made in court that someone else put the remains there after Casey was locked up. The attorney for Texas EquiSearch says he has no idea what they're talking about.
So where is it? I don't get it. I've not seen it. I've not had a team leader communicate with me. Tim Miller's not had a team leader communicate with him that supports this.
Prosecutors have filed this motion this week asking the judge to order Casey's defense team to show them what evidence they have or witnesses they will produce to support their claims that someone else is responsible.
You have him through the filing essentially saying, you know, this is just another bogus defense argument, throwing it against the wall and seeing what'll stick. And if you really have something, show your cards.
But Hornsby says Jose Baez may not have to do that. If the evidence he uncovered came from the state, he's under no obligation to let prosecutors know who or what he has found.
There's thousands of documents. There's hundreds of witnesses. It's not unusual for a defense attorney to identify something within that discovery that the state doesn't see and then to turn it against them at trial.
Now, Texas EquiSearch says they cannot rule out the possibility that someone from within their ranks is helping the defense or at least echoing their claims. But All New at 6 will explain why the defense will not be able to keep that person or persons a secret if they exist. Jim?
Bob,